everybody, I'm Dr. Myers here at North Shore Humane Society. I'm here to talk to you about pet obesity since January is Pet Obesity Awareness Month. I have Mama here with me, who is one of our cats for adoption, who we have been trying for a while to try to get her at an ideal weight. Some things to consider, you know, if your pets are overweight, they are going to be at risk for things like developing arthritis early on in their life. Cats are going to be at more of a risk for developing diabetes. Cats that are overweight are actually 60% more likely to develop diabetes at some point in their life. It can be a disease that you have to manage and treat, and potentially lifelong, and not something you want to put your pet through. Other issues can be complications with anesthesia. So our obese patients are at higher risk for developing anesthetic complications when they do have to undergo anesthesia. Extra weight that they carry can be very stressful on their joints and just hard for them to move around, and which makes it harder for them to exercise. And so you kind of run into this vicious cycle where you're really struggling to try to get them to lose weight. Actually, a study out that shows that dogs that are overweight their lifespan will be decreased by about 2.5 years. So we already don't get enough time with our pets, and so if there's something that we can do to manage their weight and keep them healthy, that will give us even more time with them and living comfortable years, towards the end. Things that you can consider looking into if you're worried about if your pet is overweight is, number one, for sure, scheduling a consultation with your veterinarian. Your pet should be seen at least once a year, so we can do a good physical exam, give them a body condition score on what their ideal weight should be, and then we can discuss maybe eating habits, feeding habits, exercise, different things that could potentially change and help with weight loss. There's also medical conditions that can make it difficult for especially dogs to lose weight, things like hypothyroidism. So there's blood work that we can do to rule that condition out, and there's medication that you can put them on to help with weight loss. So really just kind of scheduling that consultation with your veterinarian is the biggest step. The next would be to just kind of evaluate maybe how much your pet is eating, if you're actually using a regular measuring cup to measure, not a Mardi Gras cup, because sometimes those contain actually 2 8-ounce cups, so that can be way more than what your pet needs. Feeding versus scheduled feeding, if there's multiple pets in the household and maybe one is snacking from the other one, there's a lot of different things to consider. So many good things that your pet can benefit from when they're at an ideal weight, and we're here to help you to guide you in what your pet should look like and what a healthy weight looks like for them. So please see this post. There's going to be specials that we're running this month as far as discounts, and we want to get your pet in, want to see him, we want to help. So please call us to schedule your appointment.